This is the camera endoscope. Here we're doing the unboxing. So right here we have the mirror probe, the magnet probe, single hook and double hook. Here's the user manual. Here we have a cable for the video out, the endoscope, has a built-in LCD screen, here's the cable, the camera, so it requires 4 AA batteries. So you see, open and place in the back of the device. Here I'm going to go through the 8 levels of adjustable brightness. And so there's 2 different settings. They're both located at the very left. Here's the first. Here's the second. Here's the video out on the left side of the device, and you can plug this into your laptop or phone or different devices, so you could actually record or just get a better view and a bigger screen. Here's the assembly process. And there are several holes in the actual device, and so you just hook up the cable and it should just line up. And so here I'm going to do the video resolution. I'm just going to scan my camera, some of the nuts and bolts. Also going to show the camera on my face so you can see the actual how clear the video is. As you can tell, it's very clear. Now this is a great device to inspect, like around your house, in case you have carpenter ants or termites. It's also good for detection equipment, pipeline probe, home use, and vehicle inspection. Overall, I found the device to be extremely well made, the resolution clear, and the light settings to be easy to adjust. So I found the product to be great price and quality. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.